Alright, so let's take a look at NIO this week. We are at $19.41, and that is great that they're staying in the $19-20 range. That means we're staying at that new level that they hit, and it's been about a month they've been there, so that is definitely a good thing to see. It's possible we could go down maybe to 18, 17, but I think with the EC6 launch, we will go up to maybe $22, $23. I'm hoping within the next month or two. So that would be really great because more profits. And there's an interesting article out today or yesterday. So NIO shares are volatile after EV maker announces redemption of 8.6 NIO China stake. So basically, what this article says is NIO Inc-ADR did a filing that it has agreed to redeem an 8.6 equity stake in NIO China for consideration of 511.5 million yuan. Totally mispronouncing that. So essentially $72.5 million. And so what happened under amended and supplement agreements with strategic investors, NIO and parties have the right to buy back 50% of the equity interest in NIO China, held by Jiang New Energy Fund. I'm totally butchering that, sorry. So when the EV maker NIO raised roughly $1.7 billion from their 75 million share equity offering dilution in late August, it said it intends to use part of the proceeds to repurchase equity interest held by certain minority shareholders of NIO China. So following this 8.6 redemption, NIO said it will hold an 84.5% controlling stake in NIO China. So that is great. That is a good sign. It's the way that they did it before was they essentially kind of almost created a new business, NIO China, that took away a lot of their equity essentially because they needed money, so they did some kind of investment process with banks and other investors, and they essentially kind of created a new company. It's not 100% correct, but it's just the easiest way to say it. But they're taking some of that money that they raised and they're able to buy back stakes. So before, when they did all their offerings and their investments, they lost a lot of equity. So them getting more equity back is wonderful. That's a great sign. So we want NIO to have more equity. And they might do this again in the future. If, let's see, they need a couple more billions of dollars to stay afloat till they start earning a profit, I could see them doing this all over again. But we want NIO to see a controlling stake in NIO China, which is essentially the NIO shares of stock. And that allows them freedom to do what they want. They're the ones in charge. So that's a good sign. There's a lot more to this story. I'm waiting to do some more research to see what comes out in regards to this, but this is great to see. And do your own research, check it out, have some fun. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.